Before we get started, you are going to need a couple of things. First, you will need water-soluble paper. I am using SmartSolve water-soluble paper from Amazon in 3-part. You can get a pack of 25 for $14. They also have a pack of 10 for $10.99 or 100 for $27. You will also need white or very light colored polymer clay. For this project, I am using Sculpey Souffle in the color Igloo. A color laser printer is required for this project. It must be laser. An inkjet printer will not work. I will link everything that I'm using in the description below. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment. All right, now let's get started. So you're going to take your transfer sheet and lay it flat down on the clay. You want to smooth it out to make sure it's on there nice and even. I do spread it out using like light to medium pressure for about a minute. It's probably not necessary to do it this long, but I like to make sure that it is on there really good. Next, I take an acrylic roller and I just use that again to roll on with medium pressure, just making sure it's on there nice and good. Again, you do not have to do it this long if you don't want to, but it's just my preference. So you're going to wait about 15 minutes, just let it sit. And then after the 15 minutes, I usually come with a spray bottle and just spray it a decent amount. Just keep spraying. So I do let it sit for about 5 minutes after this. And then after the 5 minutes, I bring it to a faucet, use like a light trickle, and just let the clay transfer sheet will just kind of wash off and leave just the print behind. You can also use your finger to lightly scrub away any parts that just did not come off with the water. And after you let the clay dry, you are going to begin cutting out your shapes. This one I'm doing alphabet prints for Teachers Appreciation Week. I kind of just did like a random shapes. Then at this point, you are pretty much good to go, and just make your earrings as usual. And this is my finished product.